welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Abdjine, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make my really high in calorie protein shake. This is my regular protein shake. This is what I drink on a regular day, sometimes daily basis. It's very simple. It's about about four ingredients. In each of them, I will go down the list and tell you guys how much calorie each of them contain, and we'll go on from there. So first off, we're gonna start with our liquid. I'm using regular unsweetened almond beverage or almond milk. If you use regular milk, that's fine. If you use soy, oat milk, it doesn't matter really. You can even use water if you want to cut down on the calories. Next, we have a medium banana. This is 120. I have my little notes here. This is 121 calories according to Google. I actually did have to weigh it. We're using my handy dandy scale here. So it's about 121 calories. Next is, of course, the protein powder you want to use. I use Serious Mass. I bought it on Amazon. I've been using it for years and I love it. If you want, make sure if you're looking for a new protein shake or something that is high in calories, I would definitely recommend this. But again, don't take my word for it. Just make sure you do your research and know what's best for you, because protein shakes is not a one fit all type of thing. You have to know what is best for your body and also what is best for your health as well. So yeah, make sure you do research and see what it contains, because that also can make a huge difference in your overall health. Next, we have peanut butter. I have two peanut butters here because I'm going to show you guys the difference between a good peanut butter and a not so good peanut butter. This is my mom. This is what my mom uses. She doesn't really care about the ingredients. I tell her all the time, but she doesn't seem to care. And this is my peanut butter. This is a organic, crunchy peanut butter or peanut spread. And mine, let me start with hers actually. So hers contain roasted peanuts, sugar, 2% or less of molasses, hydrogenated vegetable oil, soybean oil, mono and disaccharide, and salt. Versus my peanut butter, the good peanut butter, contains organic dry roasted peanuts, organic palm oil, organic cane sugar, and sea salt. So I always tell people, make sure you read the labels, because you might think that peanut butter is good for you, has good protein and stuff. However, if you are buying a shady peanut butter, then it doesn't matter how much protein it contains, because if it has a lot of sugar and other things that are not so good for your body, then it's not good at all. So make sure you read labels. Anyway, let's get started. So for this protein, this is a 2 serving. Like I said before, it is 2 serving because the scoops are very, okay, this is a scoop. This is the scoop. And this is half of a serving. So you need 2 scoops to get all the calories. Okay, this shake is 1,621 calories in total. The peanut butter is 190 calories. The protein powder is 1,250, and the banana is 121, and the 2 cups of almond milk is about 60 calories. And the full serving basically. Okay, so we are starting off with milk. I am using about 2 cups of milk, which is, each cup is 30 calories. And then, yeah, I'm just using 2 cups, and I'll probably use some more water to just thin it out a little bit, because the more powder you use, the thicker it gets, and I don't like how when it's really thick, because it kind of makes me want to throw up. So we are just putting our liquid in. So I'm just estimating this will be about 2 cups. I'm gonna go light with this because almond milk is not cheap, guys. Then I'm going with my banana. I wash my hands. Okay, adding our banana. Then we are adding our protein shake, or protein powder. So this is 1 scoop. This is half of a serving. And another scoop, which is the other serving. I'm filming, please. This is the other serving. So as you can see, it is a lot of powder. It is a lot of powder. But it's really good for you. Anyway, so next we are, sorry. So next we are using 2 tablespoons. I actually do have a tablespoon. So we're using 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You could use more, but I don't think peanut butter like that. Okay. Second scoop. I'm gonna add a little bit more water to. I'm filming a video right here.
What you say?
I'm filming a video.
Oh, okay.
All I hear, people gonna hear what you have to say.
Okay.
Anyway, I'm adding 1 thing of water to this so I can just thin it out a little bit. Come on. Yeah, don't do that, please. I'm gonna have to refilm it. Come on. I'm gonna have to refilm my video because I can't. Alright, so this is what happened when you film a video in the middle of your living room. Anyway, so, or kitchen. This is what the protein, so it's about half of a blender. And yeah, this is basically it for this video. I usually drink this 1 in the morning, 1 glass in the morning, and then 1 glass right after I am done with my workout. So this will, by the end of the day, you should consume all of this in order for you to get all the calories and all the good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And make sure you comment if you have any questions and if you want to know more about the ingredients I use. I will insert the link or the name of the protein I use in the description below. And yeah, that's about it. I apologize for the little interruption. But yeah, this is it. And I use chocolate protein powder, just if anybody's wondering. Anyway, thank you so much. And also last week I missed a video because I had finals and I was super busy. I couldn't really make anything because I had to finish my final project and my final essays. But I hope I don't miss any more videos. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.